Apple just announced a major leadership shakeup that could change the tech giant's future. You need to know what's happening and why it matters right now. Apple has officially named John Ternus as its new CEO. Ternus has been a key figure at Apple, especially known for leading hardware engineering teams responsible for products like the iPhone and Mac. This marks a significant leadership change, as Tim Cook, who has been CEO since 2011, will step down from that role. Ternus's deep technical background suggests Apple might double down on product innovation under his leadership. Tim Cook isn't leaving Apple. Instead, he is transitioning to the role of executive chairman. This role typically involves overseeing the board of directors and focusing on long-term strategic initiatives. Cook's shift means he will remain influential in Apple's future direction, but will hand day-to-day management to Ternus. This move often signals a planned succession and continuity for shareholders and employees. With John Ternus at the helm, Apple's hardware focus could intensify. Ternus's track record includes leading development on flagship devices, which might lead Apple to push faster innovation in areas like AR, VR, or new Mac designs. Investors and competitors will watch closely to see how this leadership change influences Apple's product roadmap and competitive positioning in a rapidly evolving tech landscape. Whenever a company as large as Apple changes CEOs, investors get nervous about stability and future growth. Tim Cook's steady leadership helped Apple reach a valuation above $3 trillion. John Ternus's appointment will be under intense scrutiny to maintain that momentum. Analysts will be tracking how this change affects Apple's innovation pipeline and financial results in the quarters ahead. For consumers, this leadership shift means Apple could soon introduce new or improved devices with fresh technology. If you're an Apple user, keep an eye on upcoming product launches that may reflect Ternus's hardware expertise. Also, Tim Cook's continued presence as executive chairman means the company's core values and strategy will likely stay steady, balancing innovation with reliability. Apple's CEO change is more than just a name swap. It signals a potential shift in how one of the world's most valuable companies will innovate and compete. Whether you're an investor, Apple user, or just tech-curious, this transition will shape the products and services you rely on. Stay tuned and subscribe to Daily Q&A for updates as this story unfolds.